Welcome to Introduction to Chinese. This is a short and easy course designed for absolute beginners who have no background whatsoever in the Chinese language, and it will take less than 15 hours to complete. Here's a quick introduction to the course. In order to understand the design of this course, let's first talk about how Chinese proficiency is measured. Chinese language proficiency is assessed through a series of tests called the HSK. As you see on the x-axis of this chart, the test ranges from HSK 1 to HSK 79 with progressing difficulty. Based on some estimates, HSK 1 takes about only 100 hours to achieve, whereas HSK 79 can take over 3,000 hours. At Chinese Zero to Hero, we have designed separate video courses for each level, starting from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 79, consisting of thousands of videos. Among these courses, the HSK 1 course is the easiest and is also designed with absolute beginners in mind. However, some find that even this course is a bit too challenging since you have to learn not only words and grammar, but also tones and characters all at the same time. So learners can quickly get inundated and tend to just give up halfway. Compared to HSK 1, this Introduction to Chinese course is even easier, even shorter, and demands a lot less on you. To compare, the HSK 1 course takes about 100 hours to complete, but this course, this Introduction to Chinese course, takes only less than 15 hours to complete. And this course focuses only on the spoken language, so you will have a much easier transition to the more challenging HSK 1 course. Another unique feature of this course is that we will be showing dialogues from a popular TV series called Go Ahead. Now, why are we using a drama? There are two reasons. Number one, it will ensure that our language is authentic. This is a modern-day drama, and the language spoken is modern standard Mandarin. By directly using lines from the dialogue, we make sure that you're learning authentic language and not some dialogues artificially constructed by some teacher. Okay? To that end, we have computationally analyzed the language of this drama and selected the most frequently uttered expressions. We have prioritized teaching these expressions in this course. And the second reason is that we hope that by integrating this drama into the course, it will make it more enjoyable and perhaps it will pique your interest so that you can watch more Chinese dramas in the future and you'll be able to improve your Chinese even more in the process. The course consists of 12 lessons, and each lesson will go over 3 very short, authentic dialogues, and each lesson will introduce, on average, just 8 words or phrases and 2 structures. Okay, so there won't be a lot to memorize for each lesson. A detailed breakdown of each lesson can be found in a table shown on the homepage of this course. You'll learn basic functions such as greetings, self-introductions, saying goodbye, saying thank you, saying sorry, basic expressions of persuasion and dissuasion, that is asking people to do things or not do things, basic expressions of wish and others. We'll also go over some basic pronunciation tips such as hard vowels and consonants, colloquial pronunciations. We'll also mention tones and some tone change rules, but these tones are not required. They won't be quizzed or tested in this course. They're just there for your information, okay? Again, there are 12 lessons in this course. At the end of lesson 9, you will complete an assignment. Details about the assignment will be given when you get there. You'll be given a grading rubric so you can grade your own work. At the end of every lesson, you'll be asked to complete a short quiz that are no more than 10 multiple choice questions long. The assignments and quizzes are formative assessments so that you can see that if you're on track. Beside these quizzes, there are 2 exams. At the end of the 6th lesson, you'll complete a 20-question midterm exam, and after the last lesson, you'll complete a final exam, which will actually include some questions from the official HSK 1 exam, and will give you an extra challenge at the end of the course. The exams serve as summative assessments that will both evaluate your progress as a student, as well as assess the quality and effectiveness of our instruction. The quizzes and exams are completed online, so you can get a score right away after you complete them. And a word on the limitations of this course. The course is input focused, that is, we put the focus on understanding and not on producing. You'll only be asked to listen and sometimes maybe read a little opinion, but you won't be asked to speak or write. One of the things that makes Chinese learning super hard is the character-based writing system. For the purpose of this course, you're not required to learn Chinese characters, okay? Everything is presented phonetically using a system called pinyin. This drastically reduces the complexity and learning time. And Chinese is a tonal language, which means that each syllable will have one of 5 possible tones. This makes learning Chinese pronunciation a challenge. For the purpose of this course, you're not expected to learn the tones. Although tone marks are shown throughout the course on all the text, but you're not required to tell apart, okay? And in order to keep the course easy, the following are not found in the course. For example, we're not teaching what, who, when, where, how questions. We're not teaching expressions of time with exceptions of words like today or tonight, etc. We're not teaching calendar dates. And numerals and money are not covered with exception for probably common numbers like 1, okay? These will be covered systematically in the HSK 1 course as you progress to that level. If you're watching this on the online platform such as YouTube, you can just keep watching all the videos in this playlist. The link to the playlist is in the description below. If you enroll in this course on our website, however, you can take advantage of all the quizzes, exams, downloadable learning materials, PDFs inside the course. The website also has a progress tracker so you can better monitor your learning. Enrolling in the course is completely free, okay? So I encourage you to click on the enrollment link in the description, sign up for the course, and take advantage of all the bonus perks. And this way we'll have your email addresses so that we can reach you in case YouTube's AI moderation decides to just randomly shut us down like they did to many different channels. Great, so that was a quick introduction to this course. If you decide this course is for you, then come on board. But wait, before you start lesson 1, make sure you first watch the first episode of the drama series Go Ahead. The first episode is about 45 minutes long. We ask you to watch 1 episode of the drama before each of the lessons, so you get to watch 12 episodes by the end of the course. By watching the series as you study these lessons, it will give you more context for the dialogues we're going to discuss. It's also good listening practice, right? So I'll attach a link to the drama in the description of this video. And after you've done watching the first drama episode, please proceed to lesson 1 and we'll learn how to say hello in Chinese. Okay, so I'll see you there. Bye.